In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve your mic audio in OBS Studio so it sounds clean, professional, and balanced using only the built-in filters. You don't need expensive plugins, third-party software, or complicated setups. Everything we're doing today is completely inside OBS, and once you set this up properly, your streams and recordings will instantly sound more polished. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy OBS tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio and look at the audio mixer dock at the bottom of your screen. Find your mic or mic aux source. This is the audio input connected to your microphone. Click the three dots right next to it and then select Filters. This is where the magic happens. Now, we're going to add 4 essential filters, and the order matters, so make sure you follow this exactly. Click the plus icon in the Filters window and add Noise Suppression first. Once it's added, set the method to rnnoise. rnnoise provides higher quality noise reduction and does a great job removing background hum, fan noise, air conditioning, and other constant sounds. It does use slightly more CPU, but on most modern systems this won't be an issue. If you're on a very low-end PC, you can test speaks, but rnnoise is recommended for the best sound. Next, click the plus icon again and add a noise gate. The noise gate prevents your microphone from picking up small background noises when you're not speaking, like keyboard clicks or room noise. You'll see 2 important settings, close threshold and open threshold. Start by setting your close threshold around -40 decibels and your open threshold around -35 decibels. Then speak normally and adjust until the mic only activates when you talk. If it cuts off your words, lower the threshold slightly. The goal is for silence when you're silent and clear audio when you speak. Third, add a compressor. This is what makes your voice sound consistent and controlled. A compressor reduces the volume of loud moments so you don't distort or clip when you get excited. Start with a ratio of 4:1. Set the threshold around -18 decibels. Attack at 6 milliseconds and release at about 60 milliseconds. Then test your voice. If you notice your loud parts are still too strong, lower the threshold slightly. This helps smooth everything out and gets that broadcast-style sound. Finally, add a limiter. This is your safety net. Set the threshold to -3.0 decibels. What this does is prevent your audio from ever peaking into the red and distorting. Even if you shout or laugh loudly, the limiter will cap the maximum volume and protect your recording or stream. Now that all 4 filters are added in the correct order, noise suppression, noise gate, compressor, and limiter, let's quickly check your levels. Speak in your normal voice while watching the audio mixer dock. Ideally, your audio should stay mostly in the yellow zone and never hit red. If it's going into the red, lower either your microphone gain physically on your mic or reduce the volume slider in OBS slightly. Staying in the yellow gives you strong, clear audio without distortion. And that's it. With just these 4 built-in filters configured properly, your mic audio in OBS Studio will sound dramatically more professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more OBS and streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.